the same as ready sa ilang mga players.
Start off the second quarter. Ball position, Team Jagna.
Start of the second quarter. Again, this is the Governor's Cup 2023 Juniors Division Finals.
Second shot clock.
Hamora, bang!
For three.
First lead of Team
And
Jagna.
Jagna
First
takes
lead.
the lead. First lead of Jagna in this ball game, partner.
Correct.
Localiano and Localiano
Nico Luciliano.
inserted back in the lineup, no, partner. He still continues to score 10 points now for Localiano. Wild shot by Amora. This is now Morata. Morata, easy layup.
Horace Morata.
Now, Tagbilaran City is now leading again, partner.
And Tagbilaran takes the lead. Paus-paus ragit sila, partner. Hamora drops, but still again by Tagbilaran. Abing challenged, but doesn't matter.
James Abeng.
I think Jagna, partner, is taking a dose of their own medicine. Tagbilaran is
Fast
now
break.
playing fast break, partner.
Correct, partner. Amper closed out by Localiano in the corner. Tan stolen again by Tagbilaran. 3 straight turnovers and Morata.
Morata.
Three straight turnovers by Jagna, partner, which
Correct.
is leading to 3 straight baskets for Tagbilaran Serie.
Yes, that was 6 points of turnover.
Eight minutes and 24 seconds left in the ball game. 6-point lead by Tagbilaran Serie, 31-25. $15K live viewers in our official live stream in the provincial government of Bohol.
Back to the ball game with 8 minutes and 24 seconds.
Shout out ta. Go Jagna. Ingon si Chris Morillo. Shout out po ni K Faith. Hopefully nagtanaw ka ani. Ingon si Jeg.
Out of bounds. Jagna's ball.
And another turnover by Jagna, partner. 4 straight turnovers na.
4 straight, fortunately, partner, na turnovers up sa Tagbilaran
Turnovers
City.
sa Tagbilaran na po. Back to back.
Yes. Back-to-back turnovers.
Hamora. And
Again,
another
another turnover.
turnover for Jagna. Morata again. Morata!
Horace Morata.
Di mapugnan si Morata, partner, but once makalupad na. And another turnover. Traveling for Team Jagna.
Substitution.
6 consecutive, partner. 6 consecutive turnover for Team
Bahaw
Jagna.
for Tan.
This is a very crucial moment for Team Jagna because nisugod na pull away ang Tagbilaran City. 8-point lead na, partner. 7 minutes and 40 seconds left. 33-25. Tagbilaran City. Abing. Cross court to Morata. Whoa! Oh my goodness!
Horace Morata.
Horace Morata is cooking right now. Euro step. Morata again. And Morata!
Race Murata.
What a performance here by Tagbilaran City.
Coming from interception, partner. Then Murata proceeded sa layup, partner.
7 straight turnovers for Hagna. Hagna needs to step up here. To Nunez. Nunez kicks
5
it out
second shot clock.
to Hamora. Another drop. And
Another
yet,
turnover for
and yet
Hagna.
another turnover for
Wala
Hagna.
sila ka-control sa bola, partner. I think they're very tense, partner, sa ilang play.
Out of bounds.
And also,
Tagbilaran's
partner,
ball.
credit the defense of Tagbilaran
Yes,
City.
correct, correct. Really
To
tight
force the-
defense.
to
Very
force the
tight defense
turnovers.
for Team Tagbilaran.
And a foul. Offensive foul on Nico Localiano.
Foul on jersey number 10. Nico Localiano. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Salarda for Havila.
Shout out Tagamay. Watching from California. Shout out the icon Lawrence Boniel Cañas. Nga ni duwa ay ang eksoon si Murata from Saison Louis. Nunez drop and the easy 2 points.
Ranieses.
That is what Hagna needs to do, no,
Yes,
partner?
partner.
Slowly chip in the lead.
Slowly but surely, partner.
As you can see there, Ranieses. Long three. Oh! Oh my!
James Abel
I think the bank is open,
for
partner.
three.
Using the board.
James Abing banks in the three-pointer. Hagna cannot answer.
Foul on jersey number 13. Joshua Bahao.
This is
First
6
personal foul.
minutes left. 6 minutes left in the
Time
first
out.
half.
Tagbilaran.
13 ang labaw sa team Tagbilaran City over Hagna. 40-27.
Partner sa ato mga amigo nga mahiligon sa dula sa basketball. Coming from sa lungsod sa Ubay, partner, kani si Ido Concepcion.
Shout out.
Shout out
Shout
to Ido
out
Concepcion.
Puta. There is atong Facebook live stream. 16.5k live viewers. Grabe. The peak viewership of the Governor's Cup. Shout out ko idol taga Baiso Bingag from Darwin La Quinta.
Back to the ball game with 6 minutes and 1 second remaining time for the second quarter.
Shout out pod kang Jemar Franz Duroy from as Hagna. Nice defensive play. They want to counter attack here. Hagna. Good passing in the ball. And that
Jay
results to a 2 points by Nunez.
Using the board. Nunez, partner, usad sa big man sa team Hagna.
Nunez in place of Pacaldo, which is a injured partner.
Yes, partner.
Out of bounds, Tagbilaran's ball. 11-second shot clock.
Hagna
Substitution
is
Bundok for Pumato.
trying to
11 seconds
tighten
to
up
shoot.
this defense, no? As you can see, the interception right there.
Turnover there for
Out of
Tagbilaran.
bounds, Hagna's ball.
Again, partner, slowly but surely by Team Hagna, chipping
Correct,
away the
partner.
lead.
Correct, partner. Not necessarily nga fast break ang counter, partner, sa rally sa team Tagbilaran. Kundi slowly but surely nga scoring
10 seconds to
system.
shoot.
Cross court. Oh, but a
Turnover.
turnover.
You have to
Sayang.
limit their turnover,
Out
partner.
of
Kay
bounds.
atong babantayan, 7 consecutive
Tagbilaran
turnover.
for
for
Kanina.
Hagna.
And now another turnover for Hagna. Sayang ilang comeback attempt.
Sayang,
Kaya
partner.
naputol ilang momentum, partner. This is Tagbilaran City. Bautista. Misses. Nunez. Back. Salarda all the way. And Salarda
Salarda!
with another acrobatic layup. He was the player of the game in game 2, partner, for his very athletic plays. Bautista, Localiano again, but Localiano misses this time. Bautista to Localiano, Localiano rocks! But it's a foul. Foul by Nunez on Nico Localiano.
Foul on jersey number 39, Jake Nunez. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, Golondrina for Bahaw.
Shout out na po ta karon.
Substitution,
Shout out sila
Galolo for Nunez.
shout out nananaw nig sila karon sa balay.
Makwa
Ingon
for
si Mary Elren
Abi.
Rafinian ug si Elmer Rafinian. Shout out ninyo.
Shout out, partner, ni Ma'am Grace. Early kayo may ani gaganina. Alauna pa, partner, diri na sa gym.
Sayok ayo. Actually, partner, no, tanang fans from Hagna and Tagbilaran City, sayok ayo alas 12.
Correct, partner. Ma'am Grace is coming from Hagna, partner. Nagdala daw siya rice cooker.
Grabe. Ari man ni hapon, partner. Localiano misses the 2 free throws. Chance again for Hagna. Siyam na lang ang giabas nila. Golondrina for 3 again. Salarda to Amora, but still by Localiano. Fast break on Bautista, and Bautista!
John Benedict Bautista.
11-point lead for team
Out of bounds.
Tagbilaran City.
Agnes ball with 15 seconds shot clock.
Shout out. Out niya sa day. We're back in the game. Golondrina, another 3. Still no go. But Salarda. Grabe good si Salarda, partner. The high flying
Ball on
Salarda
jersey
good.
Correct, partner.
26.
Kakakita, partner, of shooting guard nga grabe ang rebounding ability,
First
partner.
personal
Kung sa
foul.
PBA pa, murag Malaskati Thompson, no,
Correct,
partner?
partner. That is called a style nga vaulting attempt nga pag-rebound, partner.
Grabe. That is raw talent and skill. Athleticism
Correct,
by
partner.
Rene Salarda. Salarda again!
Yes,
Agnes Salarda.
Salarda, the player of the game in game 2, is once again leading his team.
Morata, partner, is being closely guarded by number 10, partner. Of Hagna.
Localiano wants the board, but Hamora gets it. Still, Localiano again. Localiano
Nico
scores!
Luciliano.
Golondrina. Golondrina immediately answers back. Gibawi dayon ang score ni Localiano. As we can see, 9-point lead for
Timeout,
Tagbilaran
Tagbilaran.
City. 3 minutes left in the first quarter, partner.
Again, partner, take note, no? Wala gyapon penalty, both teams. Very disciplined nga klase sa defense, partner.
So shout out na buta. Shout out kuno sa tanang tagahagna nga naa sa plaza karon tanaw na ay live LED wall karon ang Team Hagna sa ilang plaza. Shout out kaninyong tanan dira and good luck sa Team Hagna. Shout out another milestone, partner. 17K live viewers.
Highest so far, partner, sa whole
Grabe.
coverage na to sa Governor's Cup.
Back to the ball game with 3 minutes.
Shout out
7
po kuno
seconds.
sa OG Crafts. Ingon si Julian Marie. Back to action. This is Makwa. Labaw ang Tagbilaran City. Og siyam.
10
Makwa.
second shot clock.
Jumper for 3.
By Andre Pondok for 3.
Pondok.
Pondok partner, usa sa ni sa mga secret weapon of Team Tagbilaran partner.
Golondrina drops but misses. Salarda again. Grabe si
Grabe.
Salarda again, partner. Ang paningkamot
Grabe
yun
nga
niya.
rebound partner ni Salarda.
Counter Tagbilaran. 4-on-1 fast break.
By Andre Pondok.
Pondok with the back-to-back baskets.
Another turnover.
And another turnover by Hagna. This is a very uncharacteristic play for Hagna. Daghan na kay turnovers ang Hagna karon no mga higala. And they need to clean this up para mo comeback as Horace
Horace
Morata. Tagbilaran City is pouring it on. Last 2 minutes of the first half. Tagbilaran City, this is ice. Ang labaw.
Five-second shot clock.
Hamila to Salarda. To Golondrina for 3. He needs this. Golondrina, after making 2 3-pointers in the first quarter, has not yet made a 3 in the second. Bautista. What a pass. Bautista to. Who was that?
Yeah.
Wala na ako kaklaro sa apelido mga higala. But this is now an 18-point lead for Tagbilaran City, partner.
Correct partner, no? May stretch na ang lead sa Tagbilaran due to turnover sa Hagna partner.
Forced errors, which is very crucial part of the game.
Another
Violation.
turnover na sa Hagna
And
partner.
another turnover.
Substitution.
Akong
Berro for Hamila.
In the first half, pag partner.
Yes, in the first half.
Bautista. One minute.
Golondrina, who wants to drive this, but no foul was called. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Hagna. Golondrina to Bero. Bero has not yet scored in this game. Salarda, miss. Tagbilaran on the other end. Morata!
Morata.
Oh my goodness.
25 seconds.
Tagbilaran City,
20 points partner.
20-point lead. 15 seconds left in the first half. What a performance here. Pero wala gihapon. Pero needs to step up here and make some shots.
Foul
For
on jersey
Hagna.
number 19, Horace Morata.
To have a chance to come back in this game.
First personal foul.
We cannot discount partner kay ang
30
Team Hagna
foul.
known ni sila partner nga bisag labaw na kayang kontra, they will come back with partner.
True.
Proven na sa pila kadula nila partner. Even Tagbilaran ila na kontra partner.
10
partner.
seconds. 10 seconds.
So this is another half pagyud no partner. So napay na kang chance pagyud. Pero Hagna needs to start to making their 3-pointers. And that will be the key. As you can see, Bero had
5
3-pointers. 3-pointers rather in the game 2. So karon so far wala pa'y naigo si Bero. Buzzer beater, Hagna. No good. And that is the end of your first half.